Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review a serum under 100 rupees. This is Nature Essence Vitamin C Serum. Actually, I bought it from Nika. I was just scrolling it and I got this. It has a good pleasant smell. This made my skin a bit brighter and my dark spot didn't go. If you want to try it, go to Nika or Purple and search the serum's name and you will get. And mainly this is under 100 rupees. You can surely try the serum. Actually, this one is so cute and it is very tiny and it totally contains 12 ml of product. Rating 3.5 out of 5. Must try product. Do subscribe our channel. Tata. Bye.